Alrighty, are you ready for this one? This is one of my most favourite things to eat. Alright, let's go Wedges Aussie girl style. Alright, first of all, big ass bowl. Then we want to put olive oil in. Depending on how many you want to make for how many people's, how much you put in. You can always drizzle more over them after, so you don't have to do a great deal straight away. If you've got fresh garlic, it's up to you. You don't have to do this, you can just coat them in the oil. But if you've got fresh garlic and you like garlic, do a couple of cloves crushed up in there. Otherwise, a couple of heaped teaspoons. I'm just using the jar minced garlic. Mix it all in together. Get your spuds. Cut them into wedges. So in half of a half, and then cut them into the quarters, going inwards into the middle. And there you have your wedges. Alright, keep going with them. I love the long ones. Put them all in our oil mix in the bowl. Now preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Mix in all your potatoes. Get yourself a cookie tray or an oven tray. Once the oven's preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, whack them in there, and I'll tell you in a minute exactly how long they took. While they're cooking, we're going to get some of the toppings ready. So I've got 5 rashers of bacon there. I've just got the top parts of the bacon. So if you're, depending on how many you're doing, how big a plates of them you want to do as to how much bacon. But once you see me do it all, you'll work out what you need yourself, alright? So I'm just going to chop them up, not heaps big, but not tiny either. Alright, and I've already got spring onion. I've got a couple of them and sliced them up. And chop it this way. Alright, now we want to fry them both up, the bacon and the spring onion, and set it aside. Alright, it took 45 minutes to cook. Dry them off on some paper towel. This is optional. Chicken salt. If you don't like chicken salt, just a little bit of salt. You don't actually need much on it. Don't forget it's got all the garlic taste in it as well. Display them on the plate like that. Then we want to get our sour cream. Oh yeah. And mix it up a bit, because it's real stiff. Just mix it in there. And put as much or as little as you want on in the middle. Oh my god. I use a fair bit. This is for everyone, remember. Alright, spread it out a little bit. Next thing you want to do is you want to get sweet chili sauce. Oh yeah. Alright, and you want to pour that over it. As little as much as you like. I like doing it around the edges of the potatoes first. And then through the middle. Alright, once you got your sweet chilli on, then you get your bacon and onion mix, and you pour it on top of that. As much as or as little as you like. Oh mate, you have got to give it a go. It is so good. A little bit more on top. This is like champions. A little bit more sweet chili. Boom, we're done. Well, how awesome is that? Oh, it is so mourish, I'm telling you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back soon. Bye.